Hi guys, today we're going to be creating an interactive photo using a new piece of technology called Thinglink. When you log into your Google Classroom, there'll be a link in our link section. Just click on that for Thinglink and you'll be directed here. Once you're here, you're going to want to log in. For you guys, you haven't logged in yet, so you'll go to not registered, sign up for free. When you click on this, it's going to ask for your school email, and then you'll put in your password twice, and you'll be able to create your free account. For me, I've already created one, so I'll go ahead and just log in. I want to create a new project, so I'm going to hit create. Right here, and it's going to ask me to upload an image, upload a video, 360, or import a URL. For this project, you're going to be giving us the information that you've learned about the Japanese internment camps. So for me, I'm going to give you an example of one. I'm going to show what a Japanese internment camp looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and look up Poston, since we've been talking about that camp in particular. And I'm going to look up images. And right away I find an image right here that I'm going to want to use. So I will view image. And when you view image, you get a URL. Go ahead and copy that URL. And you can take it back to your Thinglink, import, and paste your URL here. Now my photo is here on Thinglink. I'm going to title this Dear Miss Breeze, from the story that we've just finished. And I want to go ahead and add Thinglink to this area right here. These are going to be where the latrines are. You all know that the latrines are the toilet areas that were used in these internment camps. I want to put a photo of the actual latrine, so I'm going to go ahead and look over here. Latrine. And let's see if we can find an image. And there's several images of the latrines from the different camps. I'm going to go ahead and use this photo, view image, again, copy the URL, and take it back to our Thinglink. And right here, I can paste, Control-V, my picture, and it's going to come up. There's the picture. I also want to put the definition of what a latrine is. You all have that in your notes. I'll go ahead and go to Google, and right here I have it. Copy it, toilet, Control-C. Now here is the definition of what a latrine is, and I will save it. I'm going to go ahead and use another one of your vocabulary words, barracks, so I will add a Thinglink here, and I want to put the definition of barracks. So I go to Google, or for you, you have it in your notes. What is the definition of a barracks? Well, here it is. A building or group of buildings used to house a specific group of people, such as laborers, prisoners, in austere conditions. So Control-C. And I'm going to put my definition, and I will save. Now you can see right here, I have my you can see where we have definition of barracks, and you can see where we have the photo of the latrines and the definition. You guys will be adding much more information to your Thinglink, but this is just to show you how to use it. Once you're finished, you go ahead and click on this big green button, Save Image. And now you have your photo saved, and it's going to go ahead and allow you to share. So you can go up here, copy the link, and then you can share it on our Google Classroom, and we can all go through them. You'll actually be presenting these in front of the class.